Hello everyone. Today we're talking about infections. But first, what is an infection? Is every disease an infection? No. Infections are a group of diseases caused by pathogens, which are microorganisms that enter our body and use it to survive. When they are in our body, they use it to sustain itself, consuming our nutrients, consuming or using our cells, and thriving in the supposedly sterile environment. What they don't count with is that our body has an army ready to destroy any intruders. That's our immune system. The immune system is an effective barrier against infectious agents. This defensive squad is specialized in fighting any outsiders that tries to compromise our homeostasis.
The infectious process begins when our immune system fails to contain a pathogen and give it a chance to spread. The type of infection depends on which kind of pathogens are damaging in our system. These microorganisms can be bacteria, virus, fungi, prions, parasitic, and protozoa.
The most common types are bacterial and viral infections. So here we have viral infections. Viral infections are caused by a virus. Duh. When a virus invades its host, they attach themselves to a cell, releasing its genetic material into the cytosol. When the cell multiplies itself, the viral DNA or RNA multiplies with it. Then, the virus ruptures the cell's membrane and searches another cell to continue its propagation. That's how viral infections spread through the body. The symptoms of the most common viral infections include runny nose, sore throat, coughing, nausea, and diarrhea. Because the most common viruses attack usually the digestive tract or the respiratory system. Headache, muscle ache, and fever are also common symptoms in most viral infections. There are some examples of viral infections, like a cold, usually caused by rhinovirus, coronavirus, or adenovirus, or like gastroenteritis, caused by novavirus.
On the other hand, we have another common type of infection, bacterial infections. Can anyone imagine what is a bacteria? Bacteria are unicellular microorganisms known as prokaryotes, some of them living in extreme conditions, like underwater, volcanic geysers, and in really cold areas like the Antarctica. Some bacteria can even produce their own food like plants. Bacteria are really tiny, but the potential harm they can cause is catastrophic to our body. If a colon grows out of control, it can enter the bloodstream and migrate to any part of the body. If the infection spreads too much, it can cause sepsis, leading to death. Really serious, huh? Common symptoms of bacterial infections are redness, heat, and swelling of the infected area, which are due to inflammation. Fever, pain, and swollen lymph glands are also really common symptoms of this type of infection. Some examples of infections caused by bacteria are pneumonia, sinusitis, skin infections, and eye infections.
To prevent infections and reduce the risk of transmission, we have to wash our hands often, especially before and after preparing food and after using the restroom. Disinfecting rooms where there are maybe high concentrations of bacteria. Receive and recommendation vaccines and keep them up to date. Follow doctor's advice about traveling or working when you are ill, due to the risk of transmitting the infection to others. Only take antibiotics when they prescribed by a doctor and be sure to comply any recommended course, even if the symptoms improve earlier than anticipated. That's all, folks. See you next time in another episode of Teacher Make Me Do It with little Josh and T.